I know you got it. Yeah, okay. See you later.
Go on!
Number 2. Small chap.
No, the one who passes the big lad. Without the number on his vest.
Bowen.
Where's the phone?
Blue Bowen. Yes?
It's coincidence.
Yeah. We've also got the same in the wing. Oh, yeah.
Well done. Come on, Kemley. Come on. Chase! Big chase!
Yeah. Put it in.
Oops, over the top.
No, just about.
Didn't look, he gave it out looking. Right, oh, he's got Compete you!
Tackle! They're good, they like to handle, they like to move.
Come on, give me time, Bruce!
Okay, let's get a hit. Let's come left. Well, he's not here. On your own. Oh!
Give it, boy! Move it now, Bruce, come on!
Go John, that's going forward, go John! Go John! Inside. On the back lane, we'll probably got another pass through. Hit out! Hands in! Full penalty! Yellow card, ref, come on! Nobody's going to play rugby at this rate. Oh dear, boy. Get him out. He's... What? Hang on. There's no need to. You guys are good at money going on there. He's everything on his team with him.
Come down from the
Oh, yes, I know, yeah,
I want to have phone.
The bait, go in the ball.
Nobody close enough. That's not bad. That's inside. Dangerous
Symon yn cael un o'r tawd.
Ydy.
Dim pressure nhw. Ti'n gwybod?
Take advantage, no advantage. No, it's done. Oh, look at the red. Mano, Nick
Oh.
No, didn't show. Our own scrums, just keep it steady. Keep it steady.
To record this.
Blues wrong side. Offside.
Offside, ref, wake up, ref.
Da. Fi'n gwybod mae rai sgan ers ymwneud yn y typic yn y cefn.
Go, big chase. Come on, chase.
Referee's always right. We're inside. Keep it on you, that matters. Well, no, other way.
Oh.
Come on. Is there a lead? Are they stuck in the wind? Stuck in the wind, are they facing dollars?
Good play, boys.
Cadway. He took it off his feet on the floor. He won it. They won it. No, the others. Made it. Okay.
Well, it might be best if we swap sides. Thank you.
John!
Spin.
Getting rain on his face, is he? He's alright. You want him to come out, yeah?
Dangerous ball. Completely different.
When he was telling me that over 30 was the connection to his niece. And I used to be very friendly with a couple of lads from East, and with Martin. You from down there?
No, I'm from near Patelli.
Were you?
Yeah. I played down there for 3 years.
He says that this chap died last year. He played North Speed Scrum House for years, and he coached in Aberystwyth, and I used to coach the hockey girls down there. Spain's a nice game, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very difficult to score anything creative. I mean, they're playing the right type of game now, just taking out the guts and stuff.
He's still keeping it dry.
Yeah.
Trying to get the angle right here.
No, it's good.
Drive it.
Paul.
That's okay.
This is it.
Like he's calling Rodri. Hey, come in, mate.
Like in a fight there so that you're catching it.
Yeah. One big drive now.
Yep. Manage. What did you do schooling? Animals?
Yeah.
Who was there with you when teaching foot? Sorry, I knocked it down.
Yeah,
Jane
Jones.
Dobson?
Jane Dobson, yeah. Yeah, I know Jane.
Used to play hockey, didn't he?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to turn the camera off now because there's some punches getting thrown. And I missed them all in the first half. He's running for a bit.
The ref hasn't helped matters this year, either.
That's it.
Games played, you can whip them in, can't you?
Yeah.
Due respects, but your bog standard primary school teacher, they wouldn't know a bloody bit of talent.
No, you
Those
can't
games
really
playing
depend on
unless
it.
they're games players themselves.
Look, kids, again. Die out.
Isn't it amazing though, amongst games players, how you can get international standard level of players and yet you get the odd ones still that will float to the top of the barrel,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah. I mean,
Even amongst that calibre of player. He's found like an asset to your team, isn't he?
yeah.
His sister was a bloody good games player, wasn't
Yeah. Got that car. Come on, back row.
Come on.
he? Go on, lad.
Lovely. Fantastic.
All right, look.
As far as I know, yeah, there are not many moans. Ambrel in front of him.
Could be in here.
Can't see anything because the Ambrel. That's it.
You're standing where you are, you're even more of a short elf, aren't you?
And you've got 4 minutes of disc left.
Start
what's
picking and
that?
choosing now.
Yeah, I have to find out how long it's left.
Did you get that?
So they're going to watch this on the bus and travelling down and things like that. It's just going to give them a laugh.
Come on, Kevin! Come on! Come on, lad! Come on, John!
You come in front of it.
Yeah, that's okay.
South Africa game.
Oh, yeah.
Is he attached to you?
From Pangoni. We've got a Henry who's playing out there now. He's got a stocky, open side.
Come on, Kevin!
God. What's that now? Good hit.
You played that ball off the floor and you could have thrown it for you.
Okay, come on, boys, get a score here now. Still pick up. First up tackles, boys.
Hey. You come round, doesn't matter, don't me?